All right, today we are going to be doing our division, but instead of the method that we did yesterday where we counted up our multiples, we're going to solve using an array and an area model. I'm going to model an array and an area model for problem 1, and then you'll do problem 2 independently. Let's first start with an array. An array is a group of objects organized into columns and rows. So we're going to be showing 27 divided by 5. Our array should have 27 objects in it, and we'll break them up into groups of 5. So first I'm going to make one column of 5. An important detail about arrays is that they're organized, so they should all be nicely stacked on top of each other. I haven't gotten to the number 27 in total yet, so I'm going to keep going until I have 27 objects in my array. So now I'm going to make another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that I'm lining them up by rows and columns nice and neatly. So far I only have 10 objects. I have to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. I'll keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm not there yet, so I'm going to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I do a whole other group of 5, that'll take me to 30, which is too much for this number. I'm at 25, and I only need 2 more objects to make it to 27. So I'm not going to be able to build one more group of 5. I'm just going to put my 2 extra objects next to the array like this. To figure out what our answer is, I'm going to circle up my groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was able to make 5 groups of 5 evenly. So my quotient, Q, is 5. But I have some remaining objects left over, and I can't just forget about them. So for our remainder, I'm going to put the letter R, and how many are left over, which is 2. So 27 divided by 5 is Q quotient 5, R remainder 2. Next I'm going to model this with an area model, and then you'll work independently on the next one. With our area model, now that we've done our array, we know exactly what the dimensions of our shape are going to be. I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle that I need to find the sides of. Now, to find the length of it, I'm going to count up out how many objects are in each column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To find how wide it is, I'm going to count up how many columns I have, or how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both side lengths are actually the same, so I'm going to change this to look more like a square. If it's not perfect, that's okay. But remember, 27 divided by 5 is not a perfect 5, because 5 times 5 doesn't equal 27. 5 times 5 equals, well, 25. So we need to make sure that in our area model, we're also showing our remainder. Our remainder is 2. So I'm going to show 2 little squares like this to show that we have a remainder of 2. And I'll use the same letter codes for my answer. Quotient is 5, remainder is 2. So now it's your turn to model this with 32 divided by 6. Start with your array and then go into your area model. Good luck!